Hi, welcome to another edition of the Showcase Home. It's Kitchen Cabinet Day. Hi, I'm Patrick Goebel, President of Star, and we're back at the Showcase House. And today I'm joined by Chad Bryan from Southwestern Remodeling, and it is kitchen cabinet time finally. You've seen all the demos and the design, and so we are really excited to start seeing stuff come together. What do we got going on here, Chad?
Well, Patrick, we're excited to be involved in the process. As you can see, we do have kitchen cabinet boxes up. We're actually getting ready to do countertop template. Countertop template's an important step to make sure you get done early in the process. It allows for proper integrations of steps following. Anytime you're doing a kitchen remodel, you want to make sure that you rush to get to the point of countertop template. That way you can do all the ancillary things like ground molding. As you can see, we're prepped. We've got nailers in, getting ready to go to the ceiling with our moldings.
So everybody knows Southwestern Remodeling. You guys have been around a long time. Tell us a little bit about the history and where did it all start?
I'm actually second generation in the business. My dad, Art Bryan, started the company in 1970 as a single-man roofing operation. Over the years, it just kind of grew naturally. Demand increased for different styles of projects. In the early 80s, we actually incorporated and became Southwestern Remodeling, so more of the current iteration of how the company exists today. We are a true full-line remodeler, so there's very little that we do not do. Kitchens, bathrooms, room additions. We do a lot of outdoor living, a lot of deck rebuilds. We install windows, we complete siding projects. Essentially everything short of building a house, Southwestern Remodeling can do for you with our own employee craftsmen.
So you guys can just take it from the idea all the way to the finish.
We are a true one-stop shop from start to finish. We are a true design build. We do staff CAD draftsmen full-time within the company. We also have 5 different salespeople. All of those salespeople are actually a little bit specialized because we are so diverse. We feel it's best to have some specialization within the sales force. So from start to finish, from an idea to design to planning to implementation to completion, walkout, and cleanup, Southwestern Remodeling can perform that for you, and we can do it with all of our own employees.
Well, and being a part of the communities for so many years, and it's kind of humbling. This house is actually older than both of our companies and a lot older than both of us. Right. But being a part of the community so long, you know, what drew you to this project, and what kind of affinity do you have for the children's home? And
you know, so to be honest, it's funny that the children's home is the benefactor of this particular project. We were involved in the children's home several decades ago when Steve and Janet Hatchett were heavily involved within the company. So my dad, Art, was actually heavily involved within the children's home 20, 30 years ago. But you know, to be honest, whether it's the children's home or another local charity, we were kind of founded on the idea that if you take care of your people, your employees, you take care of your clients, and then you give back to the community, that will pay you back tenfold. So we feel we're kind of indebted to the Wichita area for their support for so many decades, and the Children's Home's a great charity. We felt motivated to give back the second you made the call.
We really appreciate you being a part of this, and you were one of the first people we talked to about the whole project. And it's very apparent that you guys give back to the community in the way that you treat your customers. We've worked closely together for probably almost the entire since 1970, yeah. and I can tell you that, yeah, it's very apparent you guys care a lot about the community. And thanks so much for being a part of this project. The kitchen is going to be one of the showcases of the house. We've had lots of discussion, debate about how do you maintain the Tudor but make it feel like a current home with all the current cool amenities, because at the end of the day, somebody is going to live in this home. And let's be honest, we all get hungry. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and so I want to thank you guys for being a part of that. And
yeah, most definitely.
I look forward to seeing this part get done.
As do we. Thanks, Patrick.
So this will be the showcase of the entire showcase home. So really look forward to being able to invite people in once COVID is done to see this, because we spent a lot of time and energy on this part of the home, and just can't wait to show it off.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.